Hello lovely people, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia if it's your first time here, and thank you so much for your support. And if today is your first time watching me, thank you so much, and I warmly welcome you to my channel, and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make Ghana Giblets Khebab with Suya Pepper. So please stay tuned. So I have here chicken giblets. I also have here my spices. I have here salt, chili powder, paprika powder, suya powder, beef stock seasoning. I also have here curry powder, onion powder, and also onion and garlic paste. I have here yellow bell pepper, chopped onion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and paprika powder. So let's start straight away. So to a saucepan, I'll start by adding in my giblets, and I'll season it with the onion, ginger, and garlic paste. So I'll be steaming it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'll be adding in my spices. So I'll give it a stir and I'll cover it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, take it off the fire and set it aside, drain it. Now I have here in another saucepan, I'll be frying the giblets for about few minutes. I'll add in my spices, my chili powder, garlic powder, and the paprika powder. Then I'll go ahead and add in the suya pepper powder. I have a recipe on the suya spice if you want to know how to make suya spice, so you can go back and check how to make suya spice. So this is very simple way of making chicken giblets. There's no need grilling it. It's very fast and easy. So I hope you enjoy this recipe and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Now I'll add in some salt to taste. After adding in the salt, I will then give it a little stir and then set it aside, take it off the fire, set it aside and let it cool down. Then go ahead and add in the chopped onion. So my chicken kebab is now done, and it's ready to be skewered. So it's over here, it's done and ready to be skewered, and it has already cooled down. Now I have here kebab skewers. I'll be threading the giblets on the skewers, and I have on my hand some gloves because of the spices. So I'm now arranging the kebab on the skewers, and then I'll keep the process going until it's all done. So keep repeating it until everything is done. So this is how I arrange it on the skewer. It's very beautiful and colorful. And please kindly subscribe to my channel if you're happy with my recipes, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for being here. So our kebab is now done and looking beautiful, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.